You don't want DJs now to do that.
So I couldn't record much of what happened at the fall festival just because I'm still nervous with recording in public. But I did get some goodies. It was a cute fest. Nothing too big, but it was alright overall. Someone was walking by, and the thing is, it's so windy out today. But it's also supposed to be like hot today as well. So it's like, in a way, good, also bad. I think it was just bad for the vendors because some of the stuff were like flying out, and I felt bad. I did help them pick up some stuff, but yeah, I think some of my impulse got to me and just like bought stuff, but like I bought it, without like having any conscious about it, like just like out of like feeling bad of not buying anything from them. So
Quack.